I am Dave Harvey, Vice President of Engineering for Justrite Safety Group. That includes Eagle Manufacturing and Justrite Legacy. I've been with the company for a little over 29 years, several different capacities in operations and engineering. Eagle was built and still maintained and founded today on three main principles: integrity, innovation, and customer service. Our mission of protecting people, planet, and property stands true today as it did many years ago. They are a leader in industrial products, including poly drums, spill containment, safety cans, and guards and protectors.
My name is Craig Bobitich. I'm the Vice President of Operations here at Eagle Manufacturing. We ship products all over the U.S. primarily, but we do have a sister company in the Netherlands that distributes our products into Europe and Asia. We have really no scrap in our process, so anything that we have as in terms of a byproduct of the process is reused, so it's recycled in-house, as well as any of our steel scrap.
As far as the safety can line, about 95% of that container is produced here, including the can, the hardware on top. That's all manufactured, assembled right out here in Wellsburg. A lot of our success is the people that work here. Eagle has been part of this community since 1894, and so it was a glass factory that made a lot of tableware and novelties. Eagle has known about change and evolving since its inception 130 years ago.
What makes Eagle kind of unique is that being here 130 years, you've got multiple generations working in the factory. So we have some people that are third, fourth generation employees. So it's been a long time fixture of the community.
The environment in West Virginia has changed a little bit in recent years, and we're seeing it's a little more business friendly. That sense of pride is still here.
My name is Jennifer Roebrig, and I work for the West Virginia Department of Economic Development and Business Retention and Expansion. Eagle Manufacturing is embedded in both Wellsburg and West Virginia state history, and we're grateful that group of brothers said yes, West Virginia 130 years ago. The Department of Economic Development is proud to work with Eagle Manufacturing and Justrite Safety Group today.